Hello everyone, this is the video to watch if you're considering physics. First of all, let's start by what is physics. It's a very difficult question to answer. Physics is definitely not just a subject at school, it's definitely not something that is written on paper. Physics is everywhere, in everything we do. If we talk about sports, if we talk about music, if we talk about light, well, everything is physics. If we talk about tectonic plates, if we talk about far, far away galaxies in the universe everywhere, it's all about physics. Physics is creative. Physics is thinking outside the box. Physics is putting solid knowledge into tests in different ways. Well, to do physics, it requires a lot of willingness to try new ideas, be creative, be curious, and challenge everything that is considered to be known. What do physicists do, though? In a nutshell, they seek to expand knowledge. They work to test hypotheses, explain observations, and at the end of the day, challenge each other. Physics never ends. We have a theory, then another scientist will challenge it, they will perform new experiments on it, that will help into validating the knowledge and setting maybe a new law, or maybe disqualifying an idea and setting the grounds for new research. Basically, physics never ends. How do they do it? Well, while talking about physics, John Dewey in the last century, he said that it's the only method of thinking that has proved fruitful in any subject. Well, he's right. Physicists collect evidence to reach conclusions. They use models, mathematical equations, analogies, or any physical representation to try to understand what is going on. They are exploring the boundaries of long-established disciplines like mechanics or electromagnetism. They basically bring new established ideas together to push towards new frontiers of understanding. There are almost no limits to the areas where physics is relevant today and where physicists will look for new ideas and new boundaries to break. Is physics only for physicists? Well, actually, no. Studying physics develops your understanding, it gives you a range of subject-specific skills, but it also helps you develop many tools that are transferable and can be useful in any subject, in anything you want to do in life. Physics is basically for everyone. If you are considering the American diploma or the IB diploma, well, physics can be for you. If you decide to choose physics, get ready to discover the marvels of the universe over 2 years in grades 11 and 12. There is, of course, a lot of work. There will be many exercises to be solved at home and in class. There will be practicals, but this will be done with proper guidance and help throughout the program. The physics syllabus is organized in 5 big areas: space, time and relativity, the particulate nature of matter, wave behavior, fields, and nuclear and quantum physics. These include classical physics, but also modern physics. It's basically a little bit of everything to help you set the grounds for future studies. In each of these 5 units, there are specific topics for all students, but also some of them for only HL students. If you decide to go with physics high level, it does not mean that it's more difficult. It's just that we have a little bit more work to cover. Someone could argue that more work means more knowledge and more fun. So if you decide to choose physics, you will need to think about whether you go with the IB diploma or the American diploma. Well, physics is physics at the end of the day, so there are not major differences between the three. IBHL has more topics, as you have seen in the previous slide. Some are more challenging, but expectations are more or less the same as the standard level program, as the ESL. If you choose the American diploma, then you will experience a more flexible program. The content, the knowledge you will learn is the same as the IBSL program, but the difference will be in the assignments. All in all, physics is not impossible. Yes, it is a difficult subject because it requires a lot of work and a lot of practice, But it's a lot of fun too. It helps you unravel the marvels of the universe and understand, well, everything. In physics, you will learn a lot, and you will definitely learn skills. Skills that will help you in everything you want to do in life. Thank you for watching this video.